G'day everybody, happy Easter. Hope you are all very well. And what I'm going to say next, you want to listen to, because we are going to be giving you a free look into my scans on Easter Monday. Now, for those of you who are in the VIP and live trading floor community, fear not, nothing changes. All I'm doing is allowing people to come in and have a look at what we do each and every day, 5 days a week. And if you're VIP, obviously the Mondays and Thursdays. So all you have to do really is just keep your eyes open. There'll be an email coming out. I think it'll be probably Sunday that will have the link to this particular event. Now, I might actually put it in this email too. Just bear with me, all right? I'll probably do it now, or maybe just do it on Sunday where we send out the link by itself. Either way, keep your eyes on your inbox because we are going to give you the link to access a full scan that I go through each and every day on Live Trading Floor and VIP. And just to recap what that actually is, we're going to go through and scan all of these margin pairs. These are the Bitfinex and margin pairs, and also all these top 150 or so crossed with Bitcoin. We scan the whole lot every single day as a member of that service. So, let's go ahead and have a look now at Bitcoin.
Bluetooth cancelled.
There's that annoying Bluetooth thing. Get rid of that. Correct. Okay, so, right. We've got a long weekend for most of us, okay? Or for many of us, anyway. One of the things I wanted to focus on is the potential. We haven't seen a lot go on the last 2 days. Realistically, it's been pretty darn quiet, you know. We saw the push down, rejection of that. And I was really hoping to see a push on through and that momentum to continue on and to be up through new highs in this trend already. Of course, we just simply haven't seen that. So for me now, it's really about giving you a bit of a perspective as to what could potentially go on. And I want to use the Litecoin Bitcoin chart just quickly, just to give a visual. Right, let's go and have a look at this. Breakdown, boof, big move, bang, back up, back to where we were. Literally straight back to where we were back in that June window where we did see it get pretty much smashed pretty hard against that of Bitcoin. Now, if I come back and have a look at this, the point at which the move started over here was here, 6,400. All right. Again, I know I've shown you this before, but I want to remind you of just how important this is to understand how quickly these markets can move. So, over the space of about a month, we saw a move down of 50%. We saw Bitcoin go from 6,400 to 3,200. Okay. Now let's say that, of course, there'd already been a fair bit of downward momentum by that time. It was just this was the straw that broke the camel's back, so to speak, for that catalyst move lower over a month. Here is a bullish candle on the same way on the way up. So we're looking for a move of similar sort of size from the beginning here. Where does that get us to? 50%. Around about here, 63. So for me, to get from where we are here to have a similar sort of move, all right, a similar sort of move. Don't forget, 50% down means 100% back up for us to get back to that same level. But I'm just looking merely at 50% to the upside, get us around that 63, 61 level roughly. So I wouldn't be surprised to see 6,200 before the end of the month. If you look at it here on the daily, I mean, let's be honest, we break the highs of this level here. Let me get rid of that. We break the highs of this level here, and we're pretty close to it. That's, you know, nearly 5,500. From there to 62, it's not that much of an ask. You look at this on the chart. I mean, you look at from here, 48 to 55. That's $700. From where we are now, $700 puts us at 6,000. Visually, you look at that right now on this chart, and you go, well, that's not very far to go at all. As a matter of fact, we could see that in a couple of days. We could see that in one day. We saw Bitcoin do a $1,000 move earlier on in the month. Earlier on in the month. It can do it again. So that's why I don't want people to buy into the theory of we've got to go lower first. Two things can happen. Moving averages pull back. So price pulls back to the moving averages, or they catch up. On the daily, on the 2 day, very similar sort of stuff there, guys. It's back in that right zone. Don't turn your bias to the fact that it has to go lower just because we did see it do that back here. It doesn't have to do anything. As a matter of fact, it's uptrending now on the weekly, on the daily. It's looking stronger, and I'm personally preferring to be looking for opportunities to the upside because we've got multiple time frame in the correct order from 2-day, daily, weekly, 4-hour. All these time frames are now in the right order. I want to see the 4-hour clear away a bit more. It's a bit sticky up there. That's the sort of thing that I'm looking for into this Easter break. A very, very big watch list today. Plenty of opportunities out there in the market for us to be stalking. Look, if you haven't gotten bored with the courses and whatnot, just get on and do it. You've got 3 days. Get stuck in. You've got a membership for life, guys. On Monday, you're going to get a full walkthrough of exactly what we do in live trading floor and VIP. So I hope you get on board if you haven't already, and I hope to work with you. Enjoy your Easter, and I'll talk to you again on Monday when you join me for the scan. It's only going to be live access. Everybody else who's already a member of the live trading floor and VIP, of course, you'll still have access to the recordings because you're a member. For everybody else, you've got to be there. 9 a.m. AEST is when we'll be doing that scan. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye for now.